Welcome to my channel. If you're looking to promote Temu products and earn some rewards, this is the perfect opportunity for you. Temu offers various campaigns for content creators, such as post types and engagement rates. One of the key features of the Temu campaign is the seeding balance, and each campaign has its specific requirements. It's the reward for valid posts. This means that for every post that meets the requirements within the specified time frame, you will receive a seeding balance. It's an excellent way to promote Temu for new content creators and help them earn rewards easily. The seeding balance can be used to participate in product campaigns, which require a minimum of $30. With online campaigns, you don't require seeding balance. To maximize your earnings, make sure to read the requirements for each social media platform and create content that meets the standards. To check your post status on Temu, simply go to your Temu app and look for the status section. You'll know whether your post is valid or not. Remember, a valid post must meet the criteria within the specified time frame, and the seeding balance will be awarded based on the engagement. As a content creator, you have the opportunity to join the Temu Influencer Collaboration Program and get your unique code. I will leave my link in the description below, and you can start creating content and share your link. You can earn seeding balance easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in this video. So, if you're ready to start earning with Temu, don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Join the Temu affiliate program today and start making money with your content. Thank you for watching.